Grilled buffalo wings. Ingredients: 3 pounds chicken wings, cut into 2 pieces. You may want to cut off the wing tips. 1½ cups hot sauce. 4 teaspoons chopped garlic. 2 sliced jalapeno peppers. 6 tablespoons butter. 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce. Vegetable oil for grill. Instructions: in a small pot combine the hot sauce, garlic, jalapeno peppers, butter, and Worcestershire sauce over low heat. Allow the sauce to simmer for about 30 minutes. Stir to combine until the butter melts. Place chicken pieces in a large container, and pour 1 cup of the sauce into a container. Allow chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat grill to approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on a paper towel. Run the grates with the oiled towel to lubricate the grill. Remove the wings from the marinade, allow the excess marinade to drip off, and discard the used marinade. Place the wings on the grate in a single layer so they're not touching. If needed, cook them in batches. Cover the grill and cook, flipping the wings occasionally with tongs, until they're no longer pink at the bone and the skin is slightly charred in spots. About 25 minutes total. When all of the chicken is done, place in a bowl and drizzle remaining sauce over the wings. Serve with blue cheese salad dressing if desired.